Welcome to E-Tech Experiment Day. In this video, I'll walk you through the most important electronic components used in circuits. You'll see real images and find out what each part actually does. Ready? Let's get started. The resistor is one of the most common components in electronics. It controls how much current flows through a wire. Those colorful bands, they tell you the resistor's value, measured in ohms. Basically, resistors make sure other parts don't get fried by too much current. Now, capacitors. Think of them as tiny energy tanks. They store energy and then release it quickly when needed. Capacitors help smooth out voltage, filter out noise, and keep your circuits stable. You'll see big ones in power supplies and tiny ceramic types scattered all over circuit boards. Next up, the diode. Imagine a one-way street for electricity. That's a diode. It only lets current flow in one direction. Special types called LEDs actually light up when current passes through. Diodes protect circuits and help turn AC power into DC. Transistors are the real game changers. They can amplify tiny signals or work as electronic switches. You'll find them everywhere, from computers to your TV remote. There are different types like NPN and PNP depending on how they're connected. Let's talk integrated circuits or ICs. These are tiny chips packed with dozens, hundreds, or even millions of tiny parts. Resistors, transistors, capacitors, all inside one package. Simple ones like the 555 timer handle basic tasks, while microcontrollers run entire gadgets. Inductors might look like little coils of wire, and that's exactly what they are. They store energy in a magnetic field and resist sudden changes in current. You'll find them in filters and power supplies. The more coils, the stronger their effect. Switches are simple but essential. They let you turn circuits on or off. Some are push buttons, some are toggles, and others are digital like the ones on your phone screen. Every device needs at least one switch. Connectors are the unsung heroes. They link everything together. Jumper wires, USB ports, and pin headers are all types of connectors. Without them, nothing in your project would actually connect. Batteries are the powerhouses. They store and deliver energy. AA batteries power remotes and toys, while lithium-ion batteries run phones, laptops, and drones. If it's portable, there's a battery inside. A breadboard is your go-to for testing and building circuits without any solder. It's perfect for beginners. Once you're happy with your design, you move to a PCB, a printed circuit board. That's what you'll find inside any finished device. So, every tiny component plays a big role. Together, they bring your ideas to life. Whether it's a blinking LED or a full-on smart home. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to eTech Experiment for more electronics and DIY tech experiments. See you in the next one.